Today's delivery day. Got some new parts from Pedro Parts. He's got an account for Motorcycle Storehouse. So anything I need, he can get it me. Let's see what we got. Some more cable. Primary inspection cover tool. Can't wait to use that. New little gear select. Some fresh pegs. And we've got a 86 to 03 Sportster rear fender. It has no holes, nothing pre-drilled, so hopefully we can make this fit, make this work, and shape it to how we want. Stunning. So you find on the earlier Evo Sportsters, we've got this kind of recess. You need a special tool, and obviously over the years people don't have the tool. They want to service the bike and then they fucking ruin the actual recess. So we bought the tool and I'm praying it works. Let's pray to the gods. We have a Draper Expert impact. It's got about as much torque as my little toe. It's fucking shit. I've had it around 10 years. It did its job for me. But at least we won't fuck it up because it's not too strong. One more time. Fucking yes. Oh. I am relieved. Oh, so happy. So these are the new Colony ones. Part number there, if you care. Fingers crossed, they fit. Chef's kiss. Oh. No tool needed. We can actually just use a socket. I'm not sure what size. I'll double check later. But yeah, even though I've now got a tool to remove these, this will just be easier, handier, and just better. If I'd have had the tool and these weren't butchered, I would have kept them for spares. But we'll eventually give the casings a quick little polish, just so it's not too shiny. And yeah, thank God we can now service our primary. So I've got it kind of roughly mocked up as to where I think we kind of want it. Still needs cutting down, shaving down a little bit. Thinking maybe to run that kind of shape and then finish it off. But before we get too carried away, I've kind of marked this side and my center for here, and I'm going to try and match it on the other side, which I have marked, but I'm going to get everything measured, make sure that they kind of line up the same, and then figure it out from there. So I've made this little transfer off the other side, and lo and behold, where I've already marked it up, it lines perfectly. That'll do us. Quick little tidy up, because that was stressing me out, so it was nice to keep it nice and clean. Got some hardware out to just get this mounted. We need to just drill some holes, 1, 2, 3, get it mounted, and then we need to get these two located, drilled up, and then we can mount it on there as well. So I've already got the stuff prepped and ready for what I need. 5/16 drill bit. They are the standard Imperial bolts. These ones are metric, but I'll get round to getting some nicer ones. Okay, so I want to try and trim this up a little bit, shorten it up, cut it up a little bit. So my plan is, if I can see from here, kind of figure out where the top of my tyre sits. This way around. So I can chop off around 25 mil, I believe. Let's mark it up and see. Got my little marker. shocks back in. I was originally going to do, what's that, like 25mm off, whereas now I've measured it out, it's going to chop it off 38. I'm going to tuck it up really nice and close to the dropout. We'll give it a nice little rounded edge on there. But let's get it cut. It needs slamming, and we just need to curve this off real nice. But damn, look at these beauties. Solid. So I just wanted to do a quick little video on these earlier Evo Sportsters actual dropouts. So you'll see a lot of maybe like bobbers or other types where they've actually got a welded on piece from factory that would hold on your rear fender, and it would probably normally come to around here, and they are generally in a straight line, whereas on the earlier Evo Sportsters, our actual top frame is one solid piece, and this very end here is pressed, so it's not actually cut out, it's just pressed. Because the normal factory dropout covers are these big bug boys. I'll just turn that so you can see. And essentially I didn't want to have this curve, I wanted it to have the nice straight dropout, which I didn't know it had. But yeah, so essentially your newer models from here to here, that is one section that would be welded into the actual frame bar itself on here, and that's why I had some custom made dropouts made. So we've got slight dog bone, and that is essentially when we sit flush into here, the back side of this frame runs flat with the back side of this dropout. So when we button it up, we've not got any weird gaps or anything like that. And I just think it looks really nice. Really nice, flat, clean. Just thought I'd show you real quick. If anyone actually watches and you want me to send you over the dimensions and a drawing, if you wanted to go and get some of these made, well, yeah, these were made by hand by my dad on good old-fashioned tools. Somebody could make it on a CNC quite easy, but he's an old man, he doesn't like technology.